वेलकम टू येट अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन ऑफ आस्क मी एनीथिंग, जहां पर दोस्तों आप मेरे से फाइनेंस इंडस्ट्री से जुड़े और फाइनेंस करियर से जुड़े अपने सवाल पूछते हैं और मैं अपने अनुभव से आपको उनका ऑब्जेक्टिव आंसर देने की कोशिश करता हूँ. सो लेट मी टेक वन मोर क्वेरी एंड देन वी रैप दिस अप. दिस क्वेरी इज फ्रॉम आदित्य कुमार रे. Let me read his query. His query is slightly lengthy. So let me quickly read the same. Aditya says that, sir, I am aspirant of CAT 2025 and right now I am pursuing my degree in BA English Honors from Tier 3 college. Previously, I only knew about CAT and through it getting into IMs. And now I got to know you through my friend and watched all your videos regarding CFA and I want to do it. Great. Only because for two reasons. The first one is I need certificate to crack the interview. And the second one is that if I get into IMs through this degree, I will get my dream branch and maybe through it, I will get a scholarship which will help me in funding my studies without bothering about loans. So sir, please guide me in this new journey because I really don't know anything about it. Great यार आदित्य, I think जितना आपको पता है वो काफ़ी कुछ पता है यार. आपको ये पता है कि यार एक अच्छे MBA कॉलेज में जाने के लिए और वहाँ अच्छा करने के लिए आपके पास प्रोफेशनल डिग्री होनी चाहिए, जो कि इस केस में CFA बनेगी. मैं तो आपको अपना उदाहरण दे सकता हूँ कि जब यार मैंने अपना MBA किया था तो आई रियलाइज्ड इट वेरी क्विकली यार इन माय MBA जर्नी कि CFA तो करना ही पड़ेगा अगर फाइनेंस में करियर बनाना. दूसरा यार, a lot of institutes who are providing MBA finance both in India and abroad are right now looking at candidates yaar who are really up for the game, which means that they are really excited about building a career in finance rather than just saying that sir we want to do MBA because we want to build career in finance. ऐसा तो हर कोई बोल सकता है. सो ये फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूट्स को, ये IIMs को या कोई भी MBA इंस्टीट्यूट को कैसे पता लगेगा कि आप रियली एक्साइटेड हैं अपना करियर बनाने के लिए? तो यार वो ऐसे ही पता लगेगा कि अगर आपके रिज्यूमे में वो CFA देखते हैं, आपके प्रोफाइल में CFA देखते हैं, आपके स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पस में आप बताते हो कि यार जो है मुझे फाइनेंस में करियर बनाना है और मैं ऑलरेडी CFA कर रहा हूँ, तो आपकी बातों का वजन बहुत बढ़ जाता है. नहीं तो यार हर आदमी जो है वो वहाँ बैठा हुआ कोई तो ये बोलेगा नहीं कि सर आपके पास बहुत पैसे हैं इसलिए हम करना चाहते हैं. नहीं तो सर हम बोर हो रहे थे तो सोचा चलिए सर अब MBA भी कर लेते हैं. ऐसा तो कोई नहीं बोलेगा, सब बोलेगा सर हमको करियर बनाना है फाइनेंस के अंदर एटसेट्रा. तो हेंस यार वहाँ कथनी और करनी, राइट, व्हाट यू आर सेइंग, आर यू रियली walking the talk, which means do you back your words with a brand or with a professional certification? That is where your CFA comes in really handy. And both I have seen here today, lot of candidates even starting their MBA programs in finance, they at least clear one level of CFA, and that is where I think Aditya, your focus and your knowledge is bang on. I gave you a few of my personal examples to further validate your thesis and validate your thinking. बस यार my only word of advice is do not waste time. जैसे ही अब आपको इस चीज़ का ज्ञान हो गया है कि हाँ यार CFA is the way to move forward to create a career in finance, please do not waste time, क्योंकि यार टाइम वापस नहीं आएगा. And as you age in your life and career, your inertia to acquire new knowledge will always increase. मतलब आप न्यू नॉलेज के लिए आपका जो एंट्री बैरियर आपके दिमाग में वो हमेशा इंक्रीज होता रहेगा, क्योंकि अब आपको लगेगा आपकी और जिम्मेवारियां शुरू हो जाएंगी, राइट. आफ्टर अ पॉइंट इन टाइम आर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज इन लाइफ विल कंटिन्यू टू इंक्रीज, एंड हेंस इन दैट केस यार योर इनर्शिया ऑफ परसुइंग अ न्यू प्रोफेशनल डिग्री, टेकिंग अप अ न्यू प्रोफेशनल सर्टिफिकेशन विल कंटिन्यू टू इंक्रीज. सो जितना जल्दी यार आप इस पथ पे अग्रसर होंगे, यू विल रियलाइज दैट यू विल बी एबल टू क्विकली क्रैक the levels of CFA and will be able to start your journey in the world of finance, right? So I hope Aditya this gave you a lot of comfort, right? I wish you all the luck here. Just in case you need any support in your preparation, my lecture series is available at a very nominal cost. You can always go through the demo link either through our student coordinator or through the link in the description on YouTube videos, and yeah, quickly start your journey. Wish you all the luck, Aditya. And thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. I will soon see you in another video, right, which will again clarify a lot of queries around finance and CFA in particular. Till then, bye-bye. Keep shining and keep learning. Dosto, I hope you gained a lot from the session today. If you are excited to start your journey in finance and want to prepare CFA, friends, I am here to help you. I have prepared the entire CFA Level 1 curriculum in very easy to understand lecture series. It has a lot of practical examples, right, from the finance industry and business industry, where I've explained you every concept, linking it to how this concept is used in the real financial world. like fiscal policy, monetary policy. I've picked up real quotes from the industry to explain you these concepts. So do give it a try, because that way your concepts will really go not in your mind but in your heart. Number two, I really and truly believe that your CFA level 1 is fruitful only if you qualify for a good financial role. And how will that happen? If you pick up these concepts and are able to apply in the real practical financial world in your jobs. So what I have done is picked up all these concepts, and I've also taught you in my lecture series how to apply this in your Excel, so that your proficiency in Excel, knowledge of Excel is also enhanced. So with these two, in just 3 to 4 months with my lecture series, you can prepare the entire curriculum. Also, you will get 6 mock exams, which once given once every week will take you 1.5 to 2 months for your mock exams and revision. That way, in just 4 plus 2, which is 4 months for the curriculum to get over, 2 months for your mock exam and revision, in just 6 months, you will be fully prepared for the CFA level 1. Details of the curriculum as well as a lot of demo sessions are given in the description. Do give it a shot, and trust me, friends, it is available at a very, very nominal price. So do give it a shot.